Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. In this video, I will cover both methods, how you can import a pre-made Kali Linux VMware file, and if you want to create a new machine yourself, I will also show you how to do that. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. First, I will show you where to download the pre-made VMware file and how to import it. So, I will open my browser and search for Kali Linux. I will open the official website from the search results and click on the download button. All the download options will appear in front of us, like downloading an ISO file for hardware or for virtual machine. First, I will download for virtual machine, and here you will get all the virtualization software options, like VMware, Hyper-V, and many more. I need it for VMware, so I will download the VMware file. I have already downloaded this file, so I will open the folder and extract the zip file to my E drive so that the virtual machine can have more space. After the extraction is complete, I will open VMware Workstation 17, which I have already installed. If you also want to download the latest version of VMware Workstation from the official website, you can find the full tutorial on my channel. And I have also provided the link in the description, so you can check it out. So, from here, I will choose the option Open a Virtual Machine. Open the extracted folder from my local drive E, and here you will see only one compatible file. I will just select it, and my pre-built virtual machine will be imported with all the default settings. But I want to increase its RAM and storage, so I will choose the option Edit Virtual Machine Settings. And from here, I will set the RAM to 4 GB and expand the storage to 100 GB. And now, when I start the machine, you can see that the machine has started perfectly, and its default credentials are Kali for both the username and password. And you can see that the Kali Linux pre-built file has been successfully imported and is working perfectly. I will now shut it down and show you how to install it using the second method, which is via the ISO image file. So I will again open the browser, and this time I will download the ISO image file for hardware, meaning I will choose the installer option. Scrolling down, I will choose the first option and download the ISO image for 64-bit systems. But I have already downloaded this file. So I will open VMware again and open the Home tab. From here, I will choose the option Create a new virtual machine. From here, I will select the Custom or Advanced option so that I can configure all the settings myself. Next, I will choose Workstation 8, because Kali Linux is built for Workstation 8, so that those using older versions of VMware can also use it properly without any compatibility issues. This is why Kali Linux still ships with an old profile to this day, but if you are using a newer version, you can update the profile later. Next, I will select the Installer Image option and select the downloaded Kali Linux image file. Next, I will select the operating system, which is Linux, and then select its version. From here, I will select the Debian 1064-bit version because Kali Linux is Debian-based. Next, I will give the machine a name and select a location. I will choose Local Drive E so that all my virtual machine data remains on this drive. Next, I will choose 2 processors and 2 cores. I will set the RAM to 4 GB. I will use NAT for the network type. Then I will select the SCSI controller type as LSI logic. Next, I will select the disk type, but here you will not get the option for SATA or NVMe because we selected Workstation 8, and it has some limitations, and this is one of them. So I will select SCSI and then create a new virtual disk. I will set the disk size to 80 GB and store it in a single file to improve the virtual machine's performance. And with this, our new virtual machine has been created. Now, I will start it and proceed with the installation. I have explained the complete installation of Kali Linux in my previous video. You will find its link in the description. After the language and keyboard settings, the installation media will load. Then, I will enter the hostname and domain name and type the username and password. The setup will detect the disk, and I will select the entire disk and continue. The base system will install, and during this process, it will also ask for selective software installation. I will continue here as well. Finally, I will install the Grub bootloader, and with this, the setup will be complete. While Kali Linux is booting here, I will also start the pre-made Kali Linux, so that we can compare the performance of both. So you can see that the pre-made Kali Linux is faster, because it uses fewer resources. Thus, in this way, you can install Kali Linux in VMware and create a perfect virtual machine. In the next video, I will tell you about a light Windows 11 that will solve all your lagging issues. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.